Ashley. We're now turning to Stormwatch 12 meteorologist Caitlin Harvey, who's tracking our current conditions outside this morning. Caitlin, looking behind you at our temperatures and conditions outside right now, Brookings seeing some of that mist and drizzle.
That's right. Here within the last half hour or so, we've really watched some of this fog set in. So you're dealing with mist and drizzle this morning along the coast as you head out on 101. Seeing those winds start to die down, though, and that's part of the reason we're watching this fog sink in so thick. 61 degrees currently in Brookings. We're still into the 60s for Yreka and Medford. Klamath Falls even off to a mild start this morning in the mid-50s with clearer skies. Now here's a look at that visibility. Still just about a quarter of a mile as we work into Brookings as well as northern Del Norte County. As we head north, though, on 101, seeing clearer conditions, but that won't necessarily stay that way throughout the entire morning. As we work our way further inland, still looking pretty clear, but watching some fog develop on into Alturas County. Otherwise, still staying pretty quiet conditions throughout much of the region. Few storms off to our north and west. Now moving into Eugene this morning, seeing a few lightning strikes with that as well. Otherwise, for those of us west of the Cascades in southern Oregon, dealing with mostly sunny skies this morning and temperatures pushing nearly 80 degrees just by 11 a.m. So it is expecting to be another toasty one further inland, but staying cool out along the coast as we hold on to some of these clouds today. Highs back up into the mid-60s. For Northern California, we'll stay mostly dry. You'll notice a few clouds in the evening, though. Temperatures back up into the 90s, 96 today at Happy Camp. As we work our way east of the Cascades, see that chance again for more afternoon and evening storms, all with highs back into the mid and upper 80s. For the southern Oregon Cascades and Siskiyous, we're into the 70s, 80s to nearly 90 degrees at Butte Falls and Prospect, all with that chance of afternoon and evening storms, with that bringing that threat of lightning. For the Rogue Valley, I've kept most of us dry, but I'll show you our most recent forecast model and why I'm thinking Medford, Ashland, and Shady Cove could see a storm or two. Otherwise, our biggest threat for storms today still stays east of the Cascades, staying in a red flag warning until 11 o'clock tonight for that threat of abundant lightning on dry fuels. And here's that forecast model. Seeing this marine layer out along the coast, so knowing this is doing a good job already. We'll stay dry as we head into midday, but take a look at this. By 6:30 p.m. for that drive home, this model now showing a few storms firing up in the Siskiyous and moving into eastern portions of Jackson County, as well as up into the Cascades. Northern portions of Klamath and Lake County also seeing that chance of storms as we head into our overnight hours, but we should get a chance to dry out by tomorrow morning. Otherwise, still tracking some pretty mild temperatures. Warm, albeit still, as we head into your Labor Day weekend. 92 degrees by your Saturday, 90 on Sunday. Labor Day looking pretty nice with highs into the upper 80s. As we head out along the coast, you'll be stuck under some of that mist and drizzle this morning. More clouds heading into this afternoon, though, with highs back into the 60s. Northern California still feeling pretty warm with a high of 93 degrees and looking dry as we head throughout this holiday weekend. Working our way east of the Cascades, we'll see that chance for thunderstorms today and, of course, that red flag warning, critical fire danger as a result of incoming lightning. For those of us in the southern Oregon Cascades and Siskiyous, you'll see that same chance of storms this afternoon, high of 83 degrees. And though I think most of the Rogue Valley will stay dry today under mostly sunny skies, we do see that slight chance for a storm or two to clip Jackson County. We'll have another look at what you can expect out the door this morning and that chance of lightning.